Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Gmail guide, I'm going to show you how to delete around 1,000 emails in just a few clicks. Yeah, super easy. Whether your inbox is overloaded or you just want to start fresh, this will help you clean everything up fast. So let's jump right in. First, sign into your Gmail account with your email and password. Nothing fancy here, just the usual login. Once you're inside Gmail, choose the folder you want to clean out. It could be primary, promotions, social, or yeah, any custom folder you've made. Now look at the top left corner. You'll see a little checkbox. Click that and it selects all the emails you can see on the page, usually 50 at a time. Right after you click that checkbox, Gmail shows a message saying something like, select all conversations in this folder. Go ahead and click that. This is how you grab hundreds or even 1,000 emails in one go. Now just hit the trash icon at the top. Gmail will move all those emails, yeah, all the selected ones, straight to the trash folder. It might take a second if it's a big batch. To completely remove those emails, open the trash folder on the left side, then click Empty Trash. Now! Just be sure you really want them gone because this step is permanent. And that's it. You just cleaned out around 1,000 emails in Gmail. Super fast and super simple. If this helped you get your inbox under control, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and yeah, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming guides.